Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command c:" and simply press enter. Then type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type in cd space c:/ and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Type attrib c:/boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now type ren space c:/boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.